You searched how to buy shares of MediciNova Inc. MediciNova is a biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MNOV, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy MNOV, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker MNOV. Select the listing that matches MediciNova on NASDAQ to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the MNOV ticker to confirm it's the right asset. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow these steps yourself.